Hello all, welcome to SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the base and rover PPK. In this video, we will see how to switch on recording. Recording is used when you want to post-process the data. Open SurveyPod app and go to the Survey tab. Enter your project. Click on this side arrow and go to Record. Here on the right side, we have two types of recording, RTCM and RAW. Choose your desired format. I am recording the RAW format. Click on RAW. Now it asks for confirmation to turn on recording. Click on Apply to start recording. Once it starts recording, on the top here, we can see this recording icon change to blue color. To stop the recording again, click on RAW recording again. And here you can see that the recording has stopped. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope now you understood how to record raw data. And thank you for watching the video.